All right, we got the forms in. Obviously this is the porch, the front of the house. This is the garage. And beyond there is the living area. Gonna do a little walking around. Yeah, guys doing great work. Yep, looking good. I don't know what these do, but I assume it's for cement or something. Yeah. Oh, there's the thermal brake. Sweet. Yeah, I talked to the builder. Wanted a thermal brake all the way down here so that the heat from the house didn't pass through the foundation and then act like fingers on a glove that had been cut off, so the heat would dissipate. That's perfect. There'll be some more videos today.